Hello, namaste everyone. This is Aman and today we are back with another video. Today we'll discuss about Brahmari Pranayam. This is a very universal, beautiful and very amazing pranayam. Universal because anyone can do it. Amazing because it left you with that good feeling about everything, absolutely everything. And yeah, so it's a thing which you can do anytime and anyone can do it. So let's get deep into it, that how to do it and what it is. So Brahmari Pranayam is one of the breathing practices which has been told in yogic text and yoga knowledge. So what what we do in this pranayam, and then we talk about why we do it in this why we should do this pranayam. So firstly what we do is we make a sound called Mahakar sound, also known as humming bee sound. The sound which is being created by humming bee. How does that sound? It sounds like So this is how we do, and we block our two sensory organs, which are eyes and our ears, so that we don't take inputs from there, and we try to go inside and feel the vibrations which we are creating through the sound. So how to close it? We take help of our hands. Firstly we take our index finger on our forehead and the last three fingers on our eyes. We are not pressing it very we are pressing it very gently, not very putting pressure onto it. And again the same thing, through the thumb we can block our ears. So we just place our thumbs to let's not hear the voice outside and hearing the voice inside. So just block it. Place your fingers onto your eyes, index finger on your forehead. Yeah, this is basically how we block it. And then after it, it's been told that before doing any sort of pranayam or any sort of practice, we should be breathing deeply couple of times. So I'll show you in the real time how it should be. Firstly I'll be taking few deep breaths and then I'll start doing Brahmari Pranayam. Yeah, so sitting in any comfortable posture. Here I am sitting in Vajrasana. You can adopt Sukhasana as well, or you can adopt Padmasana, Ardha Padmasana, whatever you feel comfortable in. You can do it while sitting on a chair. If it's difficult for you to sit down, you can also do it while laying down. Yeah, but best is I would recommend to sit on chair, people who are into offices or who are doing any sort of work. It will if chair is very near to you or comfortable to you, just pick that and start doing there. If you have this setup, you can come on the mat and do it. So yeah, sitting in any comfortable posture, taking your fingers onto your eyes, index finger on forehead, your thumbs blocking your ears, taking a deep breath in, exhaling out, inhaling deeply, exhaling out. This time we begin the practice. Inhale, yeah, I'm already feeling bliss. So it's really it's really an blissful pranayam. It's very relaxing for your whole body, especially for your mind. Yeah, so coming to the point back again. So after breathing in, I took a deep breath and then I started chanting, that is humming bee sound. I started creating humming bee sound as long as I can, the thing is that whenever you are doing, it should be it should be like, you know, relaxing for you. You should not be very hyper, like stressing a lot on the sound, making the sound like or you should not be very low. It should be normal, natural way of breathing or making the sound. Yeah, and that's basically it. We are not like, you know, getting into very scientific and all. It's very simple. I want to keep it simple for everyone to practice. And then again, you know, let's why we are doing it. Yeah, as we already discussed, it's very relaxing. It's a pranayam, it's a breathing practice which is really very relaxing, especially for your brain. The vibrations which are being sent, or the vibrations which are being created in your body due to the Merkar sound, it's very relaxing for your brain neurons, and it relaxes them. And why, like, you know, all this, like in this stressful environment which we are working on, or you know, maybe any like, who doesn't want to be relaxed? Everybody wants to be relaxed, but due to all these factors which we are surrounded by, we are keep getting stress and number of stresses. So you can include it after your yoga practice, you can include it after your strength training practice, any sort of workout you are doing it. I am open to all, and this practice is open to all to be practiced by anyone. You are not doing any practice, you are not moving at all, you can do this pranayam in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening. What else do we want? Like anytime, anywhere, just simply close your eyes, close your ears, and start doing humming the sound, and feel the bliss of this amazing breathing practice. Thank you so much for listening to me, joining me. Any questions, drop down in the comments section below. I'll be happy to help you out.